Are you comfortable there, Stavini? A tail. Are you comfortable there, Stavini? Are you happy with me, Stavini? Am I annoying you, Stavini? I suspect so, Stavini. Am I disturbing the peace, Stavini? Disturbing your rest on top of the cat tree, Stavini? Am I disturbing the mojo of the Stavini? Well, Stavini, anything else to add to this conversation, Stavini? Anything else to add to this intelligent conversation with the Stavini? Sums it up, doesn't it, Stavini? The look on her face sums it up. Stavini. Lulling the human into a false sense of security. Stavini. Clever, Stavini. Stavini.